Swoosh, just do it. 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 Swoosh, just do it.
Hey everybody, how's it going? I hope everybody's having a good day. So today's video is gonna be really quick. Camera was dead when I was going to install the new rims that I got. I didn't do the installation video, but my wheels are finally on. I literally just got done cleaning the car. So now all I have to do is just dry it off, you know, do the detail stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what the rims look like, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do. So
I gotta sleep with one eye open, I can't tell who really after me. The same niggas that be hating, they be dapping me. I'm only trapping with my squad cause that's my faculty. I wonder if shit hit the fan, they turn they back on me. I wonder if the ops turn down this, they gon' clap for me. I just fucked this bitch like Boomerang came back to me. I just took a loss, you know it came right back to me. I just spent the check, you know it came right back to me, right back to me. Wintertime streets to get hot, summertime streets to get cold. Know my young nigga round 38 with the motherfucking slug nose. Marshawn Lynch, beast mode, yeah I live by the street code. So therefore I cannot cuff no dot that from my bro. What y'all niggas really in it for?
So, what do you guys think? These are radiates right here. And I really do like this. It's a different style on this car. A lot of people will probably say these belong on Volkswagens, because I mostly see these wheels on them. But I switched it up, put it on the Honda, and I want you guys to tell me what you think about it. I haven't been posting a lot of videos, so the videos before are the 3 videos that I posted before. They're like videos that I made months ago, so but it's all cool. I'm back. You know, I had a little setback from going to Costa Rica, so I've been backed off on a lot of videos. So I'm gonna try to keep on going again, you know, go back at it. I truly appreciate you guys that followed and comment on all my videos, give me suggestions on my next mod, and all that important stuff that I want to know. So yeah, this is a short video. I just want to show you guys the rims that I just put on. I'm gonna probably take more pictures later on. So if you guys are not following me on IG, please do at jovenel.94. It's JOVENELL.94. So I'm looking forward to people messaging me and letting me know how my car looks. That's greatly appreciated by you guys. So a lot of people been commenting me about the fog lights that turn with your signal lights, and sorry I haven't been answering you guys. I've been really busy, so I'm going to try to, you know, get back on my YouTube shit. So as of right now, I will be doing a giveaway at probably 2,500 subscribers or 3,000. Due to the fact that I spent money on the giveaway, it was still money out of my pocket, so, and I'm just giving it to somebody for free. So I just want probably reach 2,500 to 3,000 subscribers, and I will do the giveaway. If you guys are interested, please like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about the car. How is it looking so far? What you guys think about it?
everything. I know a lot of people are gonna be like, yeah man, you should lower your car now. That I might have to hold up on, because I want to get bags, and bags are pretty expensive, so I gotta wait on that. So tell me what you guys think, man. I love these rims. They're different. You gotta be different. The extended lug nuts are getting pretty rusted up, but that's what happens though. It's all good. Yeah, the inside is a mess, so don't even judge me. Everything's still looking good in here. Inside is a mess, but the outside is pretty clean. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I will answer again. I'll start answering to everybody. It's been really busy for me, so like I said, I will be jumping back on the YouTube wave again. Pretty clean. Car's coming out great. Oh yeah, and another thing, I got myself a PRL intake. I did a how-to video how to install it. I don't know what happened. I think I deleted it. I edited the video. And now I can't find it anywhere on my computer. So I'm not even going to bother. There's a lot of people that have the installation video. So yeah, I got the PRL intake and I did the cabin air filter. So yeah, engine bay is pretty clean. Pretty clean. Yeah, man. This your boy Jovenel. I'm out. See you guys next video. Peace.